If you had all the level blocks in the world, and every time you tried to build, one essential part was missing, could you really create anything meaningful? Or imagine you built an artificial brain with all the neurons firing, but it can't see, hear, or feel. What you'd get is a brilliant system completely cut off from the world. That's what your favorite dApp without an oracle looks like. No connection to the outside world, no data, no reality, just total isolation. But what exactly are oracles? Oracles are how blockchains sense the world. They feed apps the data they need, like prices, scores, events, and even weather. Without them, your smart contract is just smart, not useful. But here's the thing, most oracles today are like walled gardens. They are slow, centralized, expensive, and permissioned. But with Switchboard, a permissionless oracle network built on Solana, anyone can create fast, reliable data feed without asking for permission or waiting in the line. As a developer, you get full control to launch your own feeds, customize data sources, and define your own logic. No middlemen or compromise attached. Switchboard delivers data in under 400 milliseconds, the speed your app needs to stay ahead of the curve. Because Switchboard is modular and decentralized, it powers everything from DeFi and DAOs to prediction markets and blockchain gaming. In a world where data is king and the future of Web3 belongs to those who see clearly, Switchboard gives your dApp the sense it needs to thrive. So why wait? Join the movement, explore Switchboard today, and build dApp that are connected, precise, flexible, and unstoppable.